Everyone thinks the best-selling stunt scooter is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Envy Scooters 1S3. The Envy Scooters 1S3 is a fantastic choice for kids ages 6 to 12 who are just starting out. Priced at $119.99, it caught my eye with its quality build and vibrant design. If you want a solid entry-level scooter that's both fun and safe, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. First off, the lightweight design makes it easy for young riders to handle. With a weight limit of 220 pounds, it's sturdy enough for kids to grow into. The 25.1-inch long deck and the 31-inch height are perfect for little ones to learn tricks without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, Envy has a solid reputation, having been in the scooter game for over 14 years. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a beginner scooter. Here's the thing though, for the quality and safety features you're getting, it's actually a great investment. You want your kids to feel confident and secure while they're learning, right? This is perfect for you if you have a young one wanting to try out scootering. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced or for older teens. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to ride hard.
Product number 2, Vocal K1 Pro Scooter. The Vocal K1 Pro Scooter, priced at $105.99. This one's designed for both beginners and intermediates, and right off the bat, it impressed me with its durable construction. If you want something that can handle rough riding while still looking cool, this scooter is worth considering. Why is this important? The Vocal K1 is equipped with solid 110mm alloy wheels and a T6061 aluminum deck that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. With ABEC 9 bearings, it rolls smoothly and quietly, which is a big plus for kids who want to glide effortlessly at the skate park. Plus, the non-slip deck ensures that your rider has a solid grip, making it safer for those tricky maneuvers. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly was a bit tricky at first, but honestly, if you can follow a few simple steps, it's straightforward. For parents who might be less handy, this could be a point of frustration, but it's definitely manageable. This is perfect for you if your kid's ready to take their scooting skills up a notch. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight that requires no assembly at all. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, LMT69 Professional Scooter. The LMT69 Professional Scooter is another great pick, priced at $99.99. It's a foldable design, which is perfect for parents who want something easy to store. If you're looking for a scooter that combines portability with performance, take a closer look at this one. What makes this scooter stand out? It's made of heat-treated aluminum, making it lightweight yet sturdy, weighing in at just 3.3 kilograms. The wheels are high-quality 110mm with ABEC 9 bearings, ensuring a smooth ride. Plus, the foldable feature means you can easily pack it up for trips or store it away without taking up much space. Some users did express concerns about its durability over time, particularly with heavier riders. Now here's the thing. While it may not suit everyone, for younger riders or lighter adults, it performs exceptionally well and offers a fantastic ride. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and portability. Skip this if you're looking for something that can withstand heavy use without question. Alright, that was a unique option, but the next one is a great entry point for younger riders.
Product number 4, Vocal Complete Pro Scooter. The Vocal Complete Pro Scooter, which comes in at a budget-friendly price of $69.99. It's designed for kids ages 6 and up, and I love how it's built specifically for beginners. If you're looking for a sturdy and affordable scooter for a child just starting out, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about this scooter? It's made from durable aircraft aluminum, making it lightweight yet strong. With quality parts that allow for stable riding, kids can learn essential tricks without feeling unsafe. Plus, the assembly is super easy. Just tighten a few bolts and you're ready to go. However, some parents noted that the grip could wear down quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a solid entry-level scooter that many kids find fun and easy to use, making it an excellent first choice. This is perfect for you if you're introducing your child to scootering. Skip this one if you need something that can handle more advanced tricks right off the bat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, let's check out the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Vocool Gold Pro Scooter. We have the Vocool Gold Pro Scooter, also priced at $69.99 and designed for younger riders. It features an eye-catching gold color and is built for stability and safety. If you want a scooter that not only performs well, but also looks fantastic, this one's a winner. Why should you consider this? The construction is robust, featuring heat-treated aluminum and a triple clamp for added stability. The lightweight design means kids can maneuver it easily, making it great for mastering tricks. Plus, it has a sleek look that will definitely turn heads at the skate park. Some reviews mentioned that the overall design might feel a bit basic for older kids, but honestly, for younger riders, this scooter provides a perfect blend of style and performance, so it's a great choice as they learn. This is perfect for you if your child appreciates a cool design while starting off. Skip this if you're after something advanced for older teens. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of great scooters from the NV1 S3, ideal for beginners, to the VoCool Gold Pro that offers style and stability. It's all about finding the right fit for your rider's needs and skill level.
So to quickly compare, we have the NV1 S3 for budding riders, the VoCool K1 for those who want durability, the LMT69 for portability, and 2 VoCool models that cater to young beginners. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your needs best. Happy scooting!